Nanaimo bars are an ultra-indulgent Canadian chocolate bar, and they're the perfect accompaniment to your morning or afternoon tea. They're made up of a crunchy biscuit base, a custard icing center, and topped with chocolate ganache. These are no-bake, they're really easy to make, and I'm going to show you just how easy right now. Let's begin with the base. Part of this is going to be cooked over a pot of gently simmering water, also known as the double boiling method. To a heat-proof bowl, we're going to be adding some unsalted butter, some caster sugar, and some cocoa powder. Now, the aim here is to gently mix these ingredients together until they're melted and well combined. The next step is important because you want to make sure you're whisking vigorously while you're adding the egg. Now, I've whisked my egg before I'm adding it in there, and as soon as you add your egg, you're going to notice that this mixture is going to thicken up right away. Continue whisking for about 30 to 60 seconds and then take it off the heat. I'm adding some digestive biscuits to the bowl of a food processor, along with some desiccated coconut, this is the unsweetened kind, and some slivered almonds. We're going to blitz these until we reach a fine crumb. Then you want to add that to your chocolate mixture and mix that using a spatula until everything is well combined. I have a 20 by 20 centimeter square baking tin. We want to line the sides and bottom with some baking paper. Today I'm going to be using these ultra handy little baking clips. These are uncoated. You want to make sure you get the uncoated kind, and these basically just hold the baking paper in place to make your life easier. You want to add the biscuit base in there, and guys, with very clean hands, you are going to pat this down the bottom of the baking tin nice and firmly. Pop this in the fridge, and let's move on to the custard filling. Now, the custard filling is not cooked as well, so we're going to be adding some unsalted butter to a large mixing bowl, along with custard powder. I'll leave some more notes about this in the written recipe on my website for you guys to find out more about what this is. You're also going to be adding some heavy cream and use an electric hand mixer to mix this until everything is well combined. To that, you're going to be adding some powdered sugar, a little bit of vanilla extract. You want to mix this until everything comes together to form almost like a frosting. To the chilled biscuit base, we're going to add that filling and spread it around using a spoon. This is going to go back in the fridge, and we're going to finish off with our chocolate ganache. This is super easy, chocolate and heavy cream into a heat-proof bowl. We're going to microwave this. You can alternatively do this over a double boiler. Once everything is melted and really well combined, you're going to pour it on top of your chilled, let's call it half-finished Nanaimo bars, and then spread it around using a spatula. This is going to go back in the fridge for a final 1 hour, and then, guys, we're going to lift it out, and we're just going to slice it up. And honestly, I've had about, let's say, 4 of these in the space of 2 days. They're just so delicious, and that custard filling, I would never think to put custard uncooked in basically a frosting, but it just works. If you'd like to grab the recipe for these, including some step-by-step image instructions, it's over on my website, my brand new website, which you guys can go visit for free, grab the recipes for free, and print them out for free. Go and check it out, give it some love, and try this recipe out. Trust me, guys, it is so good. I've got some more recipes up on screen if you'd like to see more delicious recipes from me. And guys, my new kitchen is almost done. I'm going to IKEA today to buy the shelves, and I'm so excited to show it to you guys. Have a lovely day, and I'll see you all on the next episode of the Scran Line.